worldwide mother languages carries out the age-old traditions and cultural heritage. Today we are celebrating cultural appreciation through excellent workshops under Bharatiya Bhasha Summer Camp 2025. Through this workshop, our purpose is to showcase the system of our schools, how we train up our kids with utmost care and skill. We are going to demonstrate the system, how the students get acquainted with the learning by our well-trained teachers and trained excellent educators. Foundational Literacy and Numeracy for the age system of attendance is quite different from the traditional system of education. So there are lots of confusion regarding the style of teaching learning. In this event, I would like to request all our respected coordinators along with our 3 primary teachers to kindly come forward for writing of the lamp. First, I want to know from the parents, do they come for a workshop? What is the meaning of FL? Anybody can know? Anybody can hear me? FL is Foundational Literacy and Numeracy. Right? Is my number going to be parents? Wow. And so, similar common calculation, performance unity form, similar the skills which is being used under this NEP policy, NEP policy that is 2023, what are the skills we will get for example, both means also conceptual understanding. We will find what O stands for. O stands for 1. In this case, 2 is here. Okay. Now, what P stands for? P stands for 10. Now, at last we know what A stands for. A is equal to 1. Okay. Now, for finding the base value of this number, first we will break the number into 3 digits. And the first number which is base value is -5. Okay. Now as we can see that the y is at 1 table. So we will multiply 5 with 1. It is a result of 5. Okay. Now the base value of 5 is value of 3 at 10. As 3 plus 10 means we will multiply 3 with 10. So the base value of 3 is 3, 10 or 30. And the value is 5, 1. Now, at last we will find the base value of 4, and if we have a 100 place, so we will multiply 4 with 100. Let's see a video of this statement for a clear understanding. Understand talking about the base value with the value of Tigps. Okay, first I will give you numbers. And to add the numbers here according to the consideration of the method of base value. Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am. Please, example, I will say 4 plus 2. We can also do the sum where in our hand. One hand is 4 fingers and in another hand there is 2 fingers. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6. We can use the small figure of action. So you have to do the
We got it? The result of adding up 4 plus 1 is 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There are 5 items. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Shall we try the last one? We have to add these three items here. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this program, this workshop. This is a very significant program for the betterment for our students. It's needed. So, I am handing over the mic to Proficiency to start our activity.
Okay? Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? So, today we will talk about rhyming words. Does anyone know what a rhyming word is? Well, a rhyming word. A pair of rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end. Let's see for some examples. Cup and duck. They both sound the same at the end. Thus, they rhyme. Tree and bee. They also rhyme. Now, what is that? Can I give a rhyming word for mouse? Yes, mouse. Great! Now, could you please give us an example of a rhyming word rhyming with cat?
Give a big clap for that.
Please give an example with the sun. With sun. Great! Good job! Also, there would be fun. Now, rhyming words will be our different and union pair. Repeat from now. Good morning, children. Today, we are going to learn about action rhymes. So, how many of you like action rhymes? I hope all of you like it. Let's start.
So before starting the action rhyme, I would like to everyone, please stand up and please join with our students to do some action and some fun.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Really right? No, Papa. Open your mouth. I'm sure every one of you has already heard the story. This is the story of the lion and the mouse. One day, there lived a lion who ruled the world. After eating his meat, the lion fell asleep under a tree. A little mouse saw him and thought he was loudly for help. The hunter went back to the village to bring a flower to tranquil the lion.
Moral of the story should be the very Obviously, it's right. And from this story, we have learned that whenever, don't underestimate the little one, because whenever you need, you don't know whoever comes to you, right? So আরো একটু বেশি ইন্টারেস্টিং করার জন্য আমাদের লাস্টে আইটেম আমরা রেখেছি, সেটা হচ্ছে পাপেট শো। তো আমরা চাই আপনারা সবাই সকলেই পাপেট শোটার সাথে খুব আনন্দ করুন। ওকে, তো আমরা শুরু করছি।
Upon a time in a village, there lived a mother hen and a father hen. The mother hen laid one egg on Saturday, on Tuesday. The mother hen sat on the egg on a little girl called Neetu came. She not only get to learn the meaning of the days of the week, but also a moral that you should always help.
Now, I hand it over the mic to Priyanka Das ma'am for conducting their activities. Please stop Priyanka Das ma'am and Priyanka ma'am. How's the weather today? Anyone? For this climate. What do you want? Climate. Now. What did I tell the first teacher? Summer. After summer, rainy. Now, do you know? Monsoon. Now, what is the last season? Winter. Now, do you know how many months are in summer? Say along with me. April, May, June, May. Rain. Give me the name of the month which comes rain season. Stand up. And July. Yes. So when we say June, after June, July. After July, August. May, June, May. Rain. ছোট্ট একটা অ্যাক্টিভিটি করবো, আশা করছি আপনারা সবাই পার্টিসিপেট করবেন। নইটা প্লিজ। আমরা যে প্রথম সিজনটা করলাম, এই সিজনটার উপরে কিছু একটা যেন আপনাদের মাথায় আসতে।
So with this, I conclude my vote of thanks